Near a frozen ocean lived a gentle walrus named Wally, who loved sliding on ice and playing games. While other walruses preferred swimming and resting, Wally was always eager to try new things. One chilly morning, he spotted humans in the distance, pushing smooth, round stones across the ice. Intrigued, Wally watched as the stones curved elegantly with every push. When the humans left, one stone remained behind, and Wally waddled over to investigate. Curious, he tapped it with his flipper, and to his delight, the stone slid forward, making his whiskers twitch with excitement. Wally continued to experiment, pushing the stone with varying force, each touch eliciting different movements. He felt a surge of curiosity and joy as he discovered how to control the stone's path. Carefully, he aligned it with an icy circle and pushed just right, watching in awe as it curved perfectly toward the center. With a satisfying plop, the stone settled in the middle, and Wally clapped his flippers in triumph. He had inadvertently learned how to play curling. Soon, other walruses gathered around, watching Wally with surprise. Eager to share his newfound game, Wally demonstrated how to push the stone, emphasizing the importance of moving slow and steady. Laughter erupted as the walruses took turns sliding stones across the ice, creating teams and cheering for each other. Some stones missed, while others hit the target, but joy filled the air with each attempt. Wally smiled proudly, knowing he had introduced a fun new activity to his friends. From that day on, every cold day was filled with curling on the ice, bringing happiness to the walrus community and reminding them that trying new things can create fun for everyone.